What if I told you a $5 product could extend your engine 50,000 miles? What if another saved you from a $2,000 repair bill? What if one additive could destroy your engine? Most car owners use fake solutions, making problems worse. Today, we expose engine additive truth. 13 genuinely work, and 5 wreck vehicles. Stay until the end for the dangerous additive. Let's separate fact from fiction. The first proven additive is Techron Concentrate Plus. This fuel cleaner from Chevron is manufacturer recommended. General Motors, BMW, and many brands officially endorse it. Mechanics consistently recommend it to customers. Techron uses powerful compounds eliminating carbon buildup. It cleans fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and intake valves. Users report improved fuel economy, gaining 2 miles per gallon. Engine performance improves, and knocking sounds disappear. This works best on older vehicles previously using lower quality fuel. It delivers results on engines that have been neglected or abused. Follow the instructions exactly for best results. Our second is ATS Chemical 505 CRF, Fuel System Treatment. Legendary mechanic Scotty Kilmer famously endorses exactly 2 additives. This is his first choice, and that says everything. Like Techron, ATS 505 contains powerful polymers dissolving carbon. It tackles 4 different types of carbon buildup. It cleans all fuel injector types, including direct injection. Unlike Techron, ATS 505 works equally on diesel engines. Some drivers report oil consumption dropping 50%. You experience smoother throttle response and quieter operation. Valve noise and timing chain rattle disappear. This makes ATS perfect for high-mileage vehicles. Our third is Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Most engine oil additives are worthless or harmful. Lucas is different, serving one specific purpose. It fills gaps in worn engines with loose bearing clearances. The thick fluid reduces noise, boosts oil pressure, stops excessive consumption. Critical. Only use this in older engines. Never put this in turbocharged engines or modern vehicles. Follow instructions precisely or risk catastrophic failure. Number 4 is Liqui Moly Moss 2 Anti-Friction Treatment. 1/3 of your fuel energy battles friction inside your engine. 62% of engine power is lost to heat and friction. This German product has been used by taxi fleets for decades. Aerospace engineers use it where friction literally kills people. MOS2 targets older engines specifically. The immediate benefit is easier starting. Winter cold starts become quieter. It works in gasoline and diesel engines, including turbochargers. Number 5 is Hotshot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Most diesel additives claim benefits they can't deliver. This product solves a genuine mechanical problem. Modern diesel production removes sulfur to meet environmental standards. Unfortunately, sulfur removal strips away the fuel's natural lubricity. This causes increased internal engine wear over time. Laboratory testing proves this. Untreated ultra-low sulfur diesel produces wear scars measuring 520 microns. Hotshot Secret reduces these wear scars to just 361 microns. This massive reduction directly extends fuel injector lifespan. Fuel pumps last significantly longer. Replacing these components costs over $5,000 each. This additive also increases fuel cetane rating. Most pump diesel rates between 40 to 45 cetane. Modern diesel engines require 48 to 50 cetane for optimal operation. Hotshot Secret boosts cetane by 7 points. Better combustion occurs, resulting in easier cold starts. Some drivers report fuel economy improvements reaching 7%. Engines run noticeably quieter with this treatment. You can safely use it on brand new diesel engines too. Number 6 is Seafoam Motor Treatment. This is one of the few additives that work in multiple applications. You can add it to fuel or oil. It works in gasoline and diesel engines. Seafoam has spent over 80 years perfecting its formula. Empirical data from tens of thousands of users proves its effectiveness. Drivers report lower oil consumption. Engine performance improves consistently. Fuel economy gains appear in real-world driving. The trade-off is that Seafoam is good at everything but excellent at nothing. It's not as powerful a fuel cleaner as Techron or Additives. The reason is that Seafoam lacks the strongest cleaning polymers. It works best in older engines that have been maintained reasonably well. The convenience factor is the real benefit. One product handles multiple problems simultaneously. Number 7 is Marvel Mystery Oil. This legendary product has worked for over 100 years. It's one of the most thoroughly tested engine additives in existence. Marvel Mystery Oil functions as fuel cleaner, oil stabilizer, and engine treatment. It removes carbon from fuel pumps and fuel injectors. It works in both gasoline and diesel engines. It prevents sludge accumulation in the crankcase. It reduces varnish and gum buildup. It minimizes general engine wear and tear. Users see immediate measurable results. Engines idle more quietly. Starts become smoother and more reliable. Completely dead eager valves have been revived after single treatment. Owners avoided hundreds of dollars in repair bills. It remains ideal for classic cars and high-mileage vehicles. Number 8 is Hot Shot Secret Diesel Winter Anti-Gel. Diesel engine owners know winter is a nightmare. Engines struggle to start in freezing temperatures. Without proper treatment, fuel lines can freeze solid in minutes. Your car becomes completely immobilized. Hot Shot Secret Diesel Winter Anti-Gel addresses this problem brilliantly. It lowers the cold filter plugging point dramatically. It simultaneously boosts cetane and improves fuel economy. Untreated diesel fuel gels at 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot Shot Secret prevents gelling all the way down to negative 40 degrees. This 40-degree difference means the difference between driving and being stranded. Without this treatment, repair bills reach $2,000. The engine may suffer permanent damage from cold start stress. Treat your diesel before winter arrives. This additive only works when outdoor temperatures fall below 10 degrees. For gasoline engines, use heat gas line antifreeze instead. But avoid certain products will reveal shortly. Number 9 is BG Motor Oil Additive. The most expensive diesel repair involves seized piston rings. Repair costs range from $2,000 to $3,500. The tragic truth: this damage is completely preventable. BG Motor Oil Additive was engineered to prevent piston ring sticking. It removes carbon deposits coating the piston rings. It stabilizes oil viscosity, preventing sludge and varnish. Independent laboratory testing proves BG boosts total base number by 40%. TBN measures oil alkalinity fighting acidity that destroys engine components. Premium oils contain enough additives preventing acidic attack. Cheap oils lack this protection. If you've been using discount brands, you need this. Results might not appear immediately. This additive protects your engine over extended operation. It works best in older vehicles. Number 10 is Lucas TB Zinc Plus. Vintage cars are expensive precisely because they need constant maintenance. Classic engines with flat tappet camshafts require special high zinc oils. Modern engine oils deliberately contain minimal zinc. Zinc destroys catalytic converters in modern cars. Lucas TB Zinc Plus solves this contradiction. Standard oil contains 600 to 800 parts per million zinc. Classic engines need at least 1,400 parts per million. This additive boosts levels to over 5,000 parts per million. Flat tappet engines receive complete protection. Racing engines benefit tremendously from this treatment. If you use it on new engines, drain the oil after 1,000 miles. Only experienced technicians should attempt this procedure. It's ideal for vehicles manufactured before 1994. Younger cars require different additive solutions. Number 11 is CRC GDI Intake Valve Turbo Cleaner. Modern gasoline direct injection engines accumulate carbon 40% faster. After 100,000 miles, carbon buildup becomes extreme. GE. Engines suffer cold start misfires. Rough idling develops over time. Throttle response deteriorates significantly. Mechanics now recommend carbon cleaning as regular maintenance. Professional cleaning costs $800 per service. CRC GDI cleaner reduces this burden substantially. It contains high-concentration polyethylamine, the strongest cleaning agent. Laboratory borescope testing proves carbon deposits visibly dissolve. Clean metal becomes exposed underneath the buildup. Success requires proper application methodology. Unlike other additives, you cannot simply pour this into your fuel. Special procedures must be followed carefully. Proper application takes only minutes longer. Use this every 10,000 miles because carbon accumulates that quickly. $17 every 10,000 miles beats $800 annually. That's genuine savings. Number 12 is Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner. Gumout manufactures an impressive lineup of engine products: octane boosters, fuel system cleaners, carburetor treatments, ethanol additives, and specialized formulations. Their fuel injector cleaner stands out as exceptional. It contains powerful cleaning agents, cleaning fuel injectors thoroughly. It removes deposits from valve seats. It cleans fuel ports, eliminating restrictions. This works specifically in gasoline engines. Remarkably, you can use this in newer vehicles safely. Following the instructions prevents any adverse effects. Maximum value comes from treating neglected or poorly maintained engines. The price point makes this product irresistible. A 6-ounce bottle costs only $5. It treats 21 gallons of gasoline. That's less than 30 cents per gallon. For advanced cleaning, buy Gumout all-in-one fuel system cleaner. Number 13 is AT205 Reseal. This is the absolute best additive product we recommend. Everyone should keep this in their garage, whether you drive an old vehicle or new car. AT205 Reseal is a plasticizer that stops leaks. It revitalizes rubber seals and gaskets. As seals age, rubber loses elasticity. Rubber becomes brittle and cracks develop. Reseal restores flexibility to rubber components. It stops existing leaks immediately. It prolongs seal lifespan, preventing future leaks. It works with any engine type. You can also use it in transmissions. Add it to power steering systems. Treat differentials and hydraulic systems. You can spray it externally on suspension rubber components. Older vehicles with hundreds of thousands of miles cannot function without this. Not using it means spending thousands on leak repairs. Now let's reveal 5 additives that cause problems. First are cheap octane boosters promising 10-point gains. Normal drivers have no reason using octane boosters whatsoever. Only high-performance engines benefit from extra octane. Even then, they need far more than cheap shelf products provide. 10-point gains are fraudulent claims. 1 octane point equals just 0.1. 10 points merely raises 981 octane to 982. Real boosters raise 981 to 985 octane. That's where performance benefits appear. Cheap products waste money, and some contain manganese. Manganese deposits destroy oxygen sensors and spark plugs. Repair costs exceed $1,000. Second are Teflon-based oil additives. Polytetrafluoroethylene sounds like a miracle friction fighter. It's the same material used in non-stick cookware. Logically, it should eliminate friction in engines. Reality tells a different story completely. Slick 50 famously promoted PTFE oil treatments. The FTC fined them $10 million in 1997. They had lied about protection and engine life improvement. NASA engineers proved PTFE accumulates in oil passages. It clogs filters and destroys engines. Third are engine rebuilders in a can. Some fraudulent products claim to rebuild missing engine parts. They claim copper, silver, and lead particles rebuild cylinders. This is scientifically impossible. Soft metals cannot repair hardened steel. These are just thickening agents masking symptoms temporarily. They cause catastrophic damage over time. Fourth is Ford Anti-Gel and Performance Improver. This diesel additive actually works, unlike most others. However, independent testing proved it ranks 10th. Hotshot, Peak, and Amsoil dominate the rankings. Other popular brands perform poorly. Fifth and final is Anything, containing tetrathiol lead. This is genuinely the most dangerous additive ever created. Tetrathiol lead was designed to reduce knocking. It successfully boosted octane rating in gasoline. It also destroyed catalytic converters. Worse, it's a neurotoxin affecting liver, kidneys, and brain. Most countries banned it for automotive use. Some nations still permit it in aviation. Never allow anyone to add this to your car. Those are the 13 additives that genuinely improve engines. 13 that truly extend engine life. 13 that real mechanics recommend. Combined with proper maintenance habits, these products can reliably extend engine lifespan. Protecting your investment costs far less than engine rebuild. Subscribe for more automotive truth.